just for kicks yesterday before the storm came. I thought I'd take a picture before my car was buried in the snow, and after the storm passed by, I wanted to see what would happen. My car looks okay there. This picture was taken at 12:51 in the afternoon before the storm. At 3:04 it started really coming down. And at 5:43 it get dark and still coming down. This is at night at 7:48, really blowing. And at 7:22 this morning I woke up and I saw all this junk. Where's my car? It's gone. Look at all the cars are just buried. Holy cow.